Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make photo frame step by step. Gather wood, glue, clamps, sandpaper, a saw, measuring tape, and your photo to begin. I will guide you through measuring, cutting, joining, sanding, finishing, and adding hanging hardware in simple, clear steps. Follow along at your own pace and pause when you need to. By the end, you'll have a sturdy, attractive frame to display your favorite picture. Start by measuring your photo and choosing wood that complements it. Cut miters or straight edges depending on style, keeping pieces slightly long for fine trimming. Dry fit the frame before gluing, then apply wood glue and clamp firmly until set. Sand joints smooth, then choose paint, stain, or clear finish to match your decor. Attach hanging hardware after the finish dries and install the glazing and backing for a complete frame. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more projects. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice brings a fresh, crisp scent to your car and makes post-workshop drives smell great after dusty sanding. It's a small, affordable treat that pairs nicely with a DIY mindset and clean workbench vibes. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Measure twice and mark cuts precisely to avoid waste and misalignment. Use a miter saw or miter box for accurate 45-degree cuts, and always clamp stock securely. When gluing, use right-angle clamps or corner clamps to maintain square corners and wipe any squeeze out promptly. After glue sets, sand the frame edges and fill small gaps with wood filler if needed before finishing. Take your time for neat joints and a professional look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.